Man, I'm pissed off. I woke up this morning on bricks. I just had to have my car towed all the way over there to get tires and rims, bro. I'm pissed.
You got me.
So YouTube, it's officially booth season, man. Let me give y'all a cold start. Season. Oh man. Hold on. Started in like a week and a half. Figured I'd give y'all a cold start, man, because I haven't been doing no content. Get y'all a POV in real quick, man. Get wild on the cat. We gotta let her warm up. Y'all heard the cold start. The cold starts be crazy on the cat. Let me say something. If you don't got a Hellcat and you never experienced a Hellcat in the cold, outside, bro, they run so much better. I don't know what it is. It's natural aspiration, of course, but they run so much better. So much better. But yeah, so I'm gonna pick y'all up when we start driving. My bad, y'all. Body TRX is a big boy over here, man. You know, they got the 4x4 TRX. Talking all this crap, I'm going to get an old school, and I'm going to get me a TRX. Those are my next two cars. Right now we got her looking magnificent. Gotta go get the rims powder coated, which y'all can see from the front. So and yeah, YouTube paid for these tires. So for those of y'all that don't know, I did not pay for these tires. YouTube paid for these tires.
Wow, man. Damn.
So I think we need springs. I'm not gonna lie to you. We need something, because I feel it. We need something. Everything still look good, but we need something. I could feel it. I'm trying to get rid of these headers next. So we trying to go long tube headers. I think we need some shocks and struts. Oh, this bushing gone. My bad. This bushing right here, is it supposed to be like that? That's crazy. Y'all, I don't know what I'm looking at. I'm not a mechanic. I know I need rotors. These need to be spray painted over. Yes, sir, they do. We finna get these done. Next on the agenda, but for right now, man, we're at Empire Tread and Wheel number 2. Ask my boy Uzi if y'all come up here, man. They're gonna get y'all together. Good people. I've never bought tires from here since I had this car, and it's crazy because I wasn't living on this side. I was living in 5th Ward, but it's my first time getting tires over here, so. Y'all will walk through on this. Let y'all see what's going on. So right now she's mounted up. It's time to get these tires on, man, because we have not had new tires in a while. So. Empire, new and used tires. Empire Tire and Tread, man. Number 2 in Homestead. So if you in Houston and you need somebody to do your tires, come right here. And I spent, let me tell y'all some crazy stuff. So I spent about like $1,500, maybe $2,000 in the last 2 days getting my shorties together, my crib, the car. So right now I'm at a standstill with content. Only content I'm getting is content that's easy to get right now. I'm not traveling unless it's beneficial. So with that being said, man, these vlogs gonna get a little more cinematic, a little more action, you know, now that I'm doing it the way I'm doing it. So y'all stay tuned. What are you doing? What's she doing? Tripping. Yeah, but I'm shredding my tires up. How you doing? How you doing? I don't have no cash on me. I only got my card. Thank you. Yeah, look, they got shorty working. Hellcat tires, you know. Hey, y'all can keep those. Tell him he can keep them. Hey, y'all, them garbage. Yeah, bet. Yeah, so y'all can see, man, they busy at work. If you ain't never been, Empire Tire. For the most part, I mean, everybody usually come get their tires from here, especially if you doing like burnouts, donuts. If you a slider, this is the best spot to come get tires. 120 for 2 right now. You know what I'm saying? Watch how different the car finna look from just having these tires on. I ain't gonna lie, them tires I had on there was 305s. I had 305s in the back. That setup crazy, but you can't really slide or nothing. Like the tire too big. So so what I did was I came and got 275s all the way around. I'm gonna keep my spare tires, them 245s. I'm gonna keep them so I can kind of just walk the car on them. I'm gonna burn them tires down. Them gonna be some shit I go shred to learn how to slide on or something like that. You know. But yeah, you see, I walk them down. Them just burnouts. I don't even slide. Them just burnouts. That's really me just putting that boy in 700 and ripping it. That's all. But yeah, for the most part, man, we pick y'all back up when we get the tires on the car. If you got a Hellcat and you don't got rim locks, you're crazy. I got a rim lock, so I don't know where it's at right now, but I got a rim lock. If you got a Hellcat and you don't have a rim lock, you're crazy, bro. You're tripping. My bad. You tripping. This come off today, for sure. These little fucking ants, man. Oh, they inside my hood. What the fuck? Look at this. See all them ants? Bro, they living in my hood. That's crazy. That's crazy. Man, there's ants all in my hood. I'm gonna go get my car washed. They made a nest inside my car, bro. It's because this car sits outside all day, man. I had it under a tarp. I guess when it rained, they all just migrated to my engine. It's hot in there, so I don't know how they living in there. But we finna get them out though. We finna rinse them all out. Don't trip. Watch this. Yeah, we finna rinse these all out. What type of ants are these? They ugly as hell. Yeah, we got a lot to do though, man. So this car will be coming together over the next couple weeks. That's it, that's all. I'll pick y'all back up when we head home so I can get y'all POV. Man, I'm pissed. Woke up to my car on bricks, man. Look at this crazy shit. Just had to come buy tires and rims, man. Y'all come to Empire Tire, man, if y'all need tires and rims, man. Got me hot as hell. I'm gonna give y'all a POV in a minute, man. I'm pissed. $1,500 down the drain.
Shit. Got your ass.
This should feel different. Oh my gosh! What? Oh-hoo! Oh-hoo! Damn! Bro, I needed tires! I needed tires! That's all I needed, gang. Look at this, man. Bro. Oh my gosh. Whew. Damn. That's crazy. Hey, man. Say, man. What a good day, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. Let me turn off this this beeper real quick. This damn whatever this is. Man. Hey, ripping. This boy ripping. I'm trying to hurry up and get y'all some content before this battery run out, man. I mean, before this memory card run out. We're gonna try to get y'all to the crib. Oh my goodness, bro, this boy pulling. So now I can see the difference in when they say like, go get new tires. You need tires. And my bad, YouTube, I had to finish the rest of this on the phone. Oh my goodness, it's crazy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I was not gripping at first. I could feel it. My tires weren't gripping. Goodness. Oh my goodness. This feels crazy.